The Jamb 2012 economics past question 23. The long run average cost curve touches to the short run average cost curves at option A says the minimum points of all short run average cost curves. B, declining points of all short run average cost curve. C, minimum points of only one of the short run cost curves. D, rising points of all short run average costs. The long run average cost curve touches to the short run average cost curve at the rising points of all short run cost curves. So option D is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.